It is early Saturday morning at 6:39 a.m. I'm on my way to pick up a spark delivery that I just accepted. Let's see, what was the price? I forgot what the price of it was. I'll let you guys know in a second. Delivery was for $21.59, going 14 miles. It's a 3 drop-off, I believe 1 apartment and 2 homes. So let's go get this order. Another early morning Chronicles before work. Alright guys, we're at the Walmart. We're going to get spot number 2. Get spot number 2. Alright guys, we got the goods.
Head northeast.
The first one is going to an apartment, which is 6 minutes away. Let's go give these people their order. The gentleman asked me, do I normally get to work on time when I do this in the morning? I said, most of the time I do. Every now and then I might be a couple of minutes late, but the gentleman I work for, as long as I let him know, he really doesn't care. He only care about sweating. Is that when I get there, hold on. Is that when I get there, I do my job. That's all he worried about. So we're on our way to drop off this first order.
Continue on Harpersville Road, 1 mile.
Guys, the next one is a house. It has some instructions. Ring the doorbell. Do not leave my order on the porch. I will sign for it. Thank you. All right. It is 12 minutes away. Let's go.
Wood Drive.
We're on our way to our last delivery, which is a house, and it is 13 minutes away. Let's go drop it off. All right, guys. The house is a little further than I wanted to walk, but here we go. Alright guys, that was a workout because I couldn't get closer to the house because a lot of houses don't have driveways, and so if it's street parking, it's kind of hard because most people take up those street parkings. So that was a little, but thank God for the park I did have, but I had to park in front of someone else's house, and I noticed that they came out to look. But anyway, we got that done. We're on our way to work. You guys have a blessed Saturday, and I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed.